Prosastreamreview. Hey, my name is Maria and I feel shy to speak in the mic. So, I used this awesome robotic voice to create this unbiased review, which will help you to choose the right product. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, do subscribe to Healthy with Fit channel for such useful health and fitness videos. Before proceeding to the review, if you decide to buy ProstaStream, check out the link in the description of this video to get it at a special discounted price. First, let's know, what is ProstaStream all about? ProstaStream is designed as a healthy prostate support formula for men dealing with an enlarged prostate and want to eliminate the frequent urination and bladder problems that arise from too much inflammation in the body. Bladder issues can be quite problematic and embarrassing for people to go through. The primary cause of this issue, most of the time, is problems with the prostate. And when you're facing the brunt of prostate problems, it affects you in more than one way. Apart from the physical problems people face, it can also affect their mental health and affect their social ability. Here is the list of symptoms of problems related to prostate you should look out for. Reduced sex drive. Infertility. Erectile dysfunction. Pain in your hips, upper thighs, and lower back. Pain when you urinate. Urinary incontinence. Blood in your urine. Apart from these physical problems, other problems follow. A person with prostate problems may be socially awkward, lose confidence in himself, depressed, and cause problems with their significant other. When it comes to addressing prostate problems, it involves treatments that may be costly or drugs, medicine. And these don't precisely cure the problem. Instead, they tend to suppress the symptoms for a short period. But there is a solution for people suffering from prostate problems. The answer is called ProstaStream. Using this supplement will help you have a more than healthy prostate. This supplement is made using all natural ingredients, which is safe to use, and instead of suppressing the symptoms, it helps in curing prostate problems. What are the ProstaStream ingredients? ProstaStream includes 3 top ingredients, alongside other active elements that contribute significantly to the way it performs. These ingredients have been chosen after thorough testing of 144 organic compounds. These are some of the powerful ingredients. Saw palmetto, graviola leaf, maitake, reishi, and shiitake, cat's claw, tomato fruit powder, Pygeum africanum bark, natural green tea, broccoli leaf extract, vitamin E, and much more. Now let's talk about the benefits of ProstaStream. Here are some of the benefits of consuming ProstaStream: healthy prostate, increase in your sex drive, boosts cardiovascular health, healthy urinary system, increases fertility, improves metabolism, helps build more self-confidence, improved bladder and kidney function, reduced pain in the bones, promotion of standard prostate size, improves your relationship with your significant other, reduced social awkwardness. Who is ProstaStream supplement for? Bladder issues are a common sight in most men. This is irrespective of the age factor. So, even when the age advances, the problem tends to persist if you do not deal with it immediately. The origin of the problem is from the prostate, an organ that is responsible for bladder functioning. However, it can lead to numerous health issues, which include frequent urge to pee, sight of blood in urine, semen, discomfort or burning sensation during urination, pain during ejaculation, decreased sexual desire, infertility, erectile dysfunction, pain, stiffness in the lower back, pelvic area, hips, or upper thighs. ProstaStream is a dietary supplement that promises to tackle any complication related to the prostate. What are the disadvantages of ProstaStream? Like every other supplement, ProstaStream also doesn't have 100% benefits only. There are some downsides to this product. It isn't available anywhere apart from the official website. You are advised to not use it if you already suffer from conditions like kidney issues or bleeding disorder. My final verdict: ProstaStream prostate pills are well worth strong consideration as a natural supplement to help aging men optimize the function of their gland. ProstaStream is an all-natural, dietary supplement that covers your prostate gland health while promoting overall well-being. Bladder dysfunction can lead to embarrassment and prolonged health discrepancies, including cancer. A supplement like ProstaStream can help in such a situation by providing essential nutrients to the body. Besides, it eases the ill effects of urinary system issues, leading to no bleeding and irritation. Furthermore, the ingredients have scientifically proven benefits for assisting with prostate health. A 60-day guarantee comes as an advantage for those who intend to try the product but are skeptical about its effect. Any man dealing with prostate health problems is well within those who can directly benefit from this supplement. For those looking at finding a real solution for real results, ProstaStream may help with all of the following: betters the urinary system. You won't face bleeding or irritation during urination. Optimizes prostate size. Enhances sex drive and experience. Better kidney and bladder functioning. Improved cardiovascular health. Reduced risk of prostate cancer. Hormonal balance. Improved cognitive functioning. Reduced inflammation. Boosted metabolism. Increased fertility. ProstaStream is covered with a 60-day guarantee. Since individual results vary considerably, you can try and seek a refund if it doesn't give you the required benefits. If you're looking for the most efficient solution for your prostate problem, ProstaStream is the answer. This formula is a proven winner in helping with prostate problems and also promotes your overall well-being.